Hello Linda, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I blow dry and style my hair to look this voluminous. Naturally, my hair falls pretty flat, and whenever I do wanna, style my hair, but I don't wanna curl it, just want my hair to look a little bit more voluminous and a little bit more put together. This is the look that I usually go for. So I thought I'll share it with you guys. So in case if you guys wanna know how I achieved this hair look right over here, then please continue watching. Okay, so to style my hair, I actually used my Dyson, but in case if you guys do not have a Dyson, you can definitely use this one. Prior to using my Dyson, I was using this blow brush, or you can find it on Amazon. You can find it from tons of different brands like Alan Truman. So you don't really need to have a Dyson to achieve a hairstyle like this. I just got done taking a shower, did a little bit of makeup just so that I look a little bit cute in this video. So I'm gonna take the towel off now. So the very first thing that I'm gonna do is first I'm gonna do a middle partition because I want my bangs to be away while I'm blow drying the rest of my hair. So I'm gonna start somewhere over here, so basically leaving like 2.5 inch or 3 inch of hair, and I'm just gonna draw a triangle shape like so. Okay, so do you see a triangular shape here? It's not perfect, but it's okay. I'm gonna clip this hair away from my face. Before I use any heat on my hair, I always make sure that I'm using a heat protectant. So I'm gonna quickly shake it up and spray it all over my hair. So I'm not spraying this on the roots, only on the tips of my hair. Then next I'm going to be taking this hair serum again by the same brand and taking very little amount, like not even 1 pump. You see barely any product there. Applying it only on the tips of my hair and not the roots. Whenever I'm blow drying my hair, I always make sure that my hair is at least 90% dry. So as you guys can see, my hairs are pretty wet right now. So I'm just gonna dry it off a little bit. I'm gonna be showing you guys the setting that I use while drying my hair. So if you see, it has 3 different buttons. This is the on and off button. This button right here is for the temperature, and on this side you've got the fan speed. So you've got 3 different speeds over here. To dry my hair, I'm gonna be going all the way down and using the cool shot. So now for the tool, I'm going to be using this head that comes with my Dyson kit. I do not like to dry my hair using any kind of heat because even though I am heat styling my hair, I still want to minimize the amount of heat that I'm using. That's the reason why I always go for the cool shot whenever I am drying my hair. I usually let my hair air dry, but since I'm filming this video, I cannot wait for that long. So I'm going to first start from the roots and then go all the way down. Now I'm going to be taking my white tooth comb and just quickly detangling my hair. The reason why I did not detangle my hair while it was wet is because when your hairs are wet, they are very fragile. So the minute you comb your hair when it's sopping wet, it's gonna lead to a lot of hair breakage, and I don't want that. So I'm gonna be styling my hair in sections. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna be sectioning the bottom bit first and then dividing it into half so that I have a left side and a right side. I'm going to quickly change the brush head on this one. So I'm going to switch to the heat setting. So I'm going to go on the very first option, and the rest of the setting is going to be the same. So to get that blow dry effect, what I like to do is take 2 inch off my hair and then wrap it flat around the brush like so. Pull it niche and then start just rolling it. Do the cool shot. So if I push this button upar ki taraf, like to the very top, it will blow a cool shot to my hair. So whatever heat styling that I do, it's gonna set it in place. Let me quickly show you guys how I do it. So whenever I'm blow drying my hair, I make sure I curl it inwards so that it gives me a lot more bounce. So I'm going to show you one more time. Take 2 inch of your hair, flat around the brush once, pull it niche, take it all the way down. You start twisting it a couple of times, wrap it, do the cold shot for like 5 to 10 seconds and then let it go. what I'm gonna do is this part right here where the triangle ends, I'm gonna go straight all the way to the back, doing the same on the other side as well, and I'm gonna clip the rest of my hair away from my face. Okay, ye wala section, the crown section and the fringes is what I'm gonna work on the very last. So with this section right here, which is the crown section, taking my finger only, I'm gonna go straight like this, grab section of my hair. So I'm gonna be following the same technique, but it's just that I'm gonna be curling the hair towards my face. So for my bangs, what I like to do is I like to curl it away from my face. So all this while I was curling my hair inwards, but this time around I'm gonna be curling it outwards. And voila. Right now the bangs look a little bit crazy. It's gonna take a minute or two for it to settle down. And there you go guys, that is how I like to blow dry my hair. Let me quickly show you guys how it looks like from the back. Okay, so there you go guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. In case if you did, then don't forget to like this video and also share this video with your friends and family. Make sure to subscribe to my channel in case if you haven't already, and come follow me on Instagram because I'm active there the most. I love talking to you guys over DMs, and don't you worry, all the products that I've used in this video will be mentioned down in my description box below, so don't forget to check it out. So with that you guys, I'm going to take a leave and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye Linda.